Cell, tissue, organ, and organ system split up the work in the way ensures survival of the body as a whole and accepted division of the liver cell tissue is defined as the group of the cell along with the intercellular substance of forming one or more function in the body. Epithelia are the sheet-like the tissue lining the body surface and it cavity duct and tubes. The epithelia have a free surface facing a body and fluid and outside the environment. Their cell are structure and function connective at a junction. Diverse type of the connective tissue and blend together supporting strength and protect and insulate other tissue in the body. Soft connective tissue consists of the proteins and fibers as well as variety of the cells arranged in the groups of stem and cartilage, bones and blood and adipose tissue are the specific connective tissue and cartilage and bones are both structural material. Blood is a fluid tissue which transport the functions and adipose tissue is the reservoir storage of the energy and muscles tissue which can contract and softness in the response to stimulating and help in the momentum of the body and specific in the component of the internal organ and cardiac muscles may mix up the connective contractile walls of the heart and connective tissue covered all three types of tissue and nervous tissue exerted greatest control over and response of body and neurons are the basic unit of the nervous tissue and it is warm cockroach and frog so the character feature in the organization in the earthworm the body is covered by the cuticle and segmentation of its body मतलब earthworms like except 14 15 and segmented with are the thick and dark and glandular and forming the clitethelium a ring of S-shape and cotinous set is found in segmentation. The setia help in the locomotion on the ventral side and spermatical opening are present in between the grooves 5 and 6 and 6 and 7th and 7th and 8 and 9. Female genital pore are present on the 14th segmentation and male genital pore on the 18th segment and alimentary canal are the narrow tubes made of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, stomach, intestine and anus. The blood vessel system is the closed types with the heart and valves and nervous system is the represented by the ventral nerve cord and its worm is the hermaphrodite and two pairs of tests occurs in the 10th and 11th segment. A pair of the ovary are present on the 14th and 13th intersegment septum. It is the protandrous animal with or cross fertilization and development take place in the cocoon and secreted by the gland of the cilium.